Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a live photo ready and an iPhone that supports live photos. Once confirmed, open the Photos app and select the live photo of the car. Tap the Share button and choose Use as Wallpaper to jump straight into wallpaper settings. Make sure Live Photo is enabled at the top of the screen. This allows motion on the lock screen. You're starting the process now so you can position, scale, and preview the motion before moving to the customization stage. Once you've entered wallpaper editing, position the car exactly where you want it by pinching and dragging. This affects framing when the lock screen shows. Turn perspective zoom off if you prefer no parallax, because that preserves the exact framing when the phone moves. Make sure Live Photo is active so a press plays the motion on the lock screen. This is why you started from photos rather than a static image. When satisfied, tap Set and choose Set Lock Screen or Set. You're almost done. Press and hold the lock screen to verify the car comes alive. That confirms successful setup. If nothing animates, make sure Reduce Motion is off in Accessibility and confirm the wallpaper was set from a live photo file. If issues persist, restart the iPhone and resave the live photo by trimming or re-exporting it. Converting a short video to a live photo often fixes compatibility. Once resolved, reapply the wallpaper and test again to ensure consistent playback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.